So my name is Donnelly and I am the Chair of the Climate Change Advisory Council here in Ireland. Well, we have global warming, that's quite clear, and we're already at 1.41 degrees temperature increase. Paris said we want to keep it between 1.5 and 2, so we're clearly going to overshoot the first one of those, and we'll probably overshoot the second unless we take really dramatic and serious action now to make a change. Well, the built environment contributes, in excess of 30-35% of the emissions that we have, coming from embodied carbon in the building itself, but also the operational carbon that's released, primarily through the use of fossil fuels, say for heating, power, and linked to that transport, of course. So our challenge here is two parts. It's about new builds. So we have the opportunity with a new build to ensure that we get it right, that we reduce the embodied carbon, we reduce the footprint of new builds, that they're energy efficient, that they're using sustainable energy in the building. But then of course we also have to look at the existing housing stock, because we're not going to walk away from those. And that's where the retrofit comes in. That's where we have to go back and look at the existing housing stock, how we bring it up to speed, how we achieve the retrofits, so that in the end of the day we all can live and work in a warm, comfortable, healthy environment. Well, one of the key ones we're focusing on this year is cement. We use far too much cement in our built environment and indeed in our infrastructure. Cement is, a bigger emitter globally than steel, than maritime transport. It's one of the biggest. We really do need to reduce the amount of cement that we're doing. Part of that comes through from the initial design of the buildings and how you present them to the clients so that we can get a reduced level. Of course, we need to also reduce the amount of emissions in the production of cement, which is also, in clinker or whatever. And what we have been pushing very hard for is an adjustment to the building regulations to allow us to use sustainable construction methodology. For example, timber frame construction.